Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on January the 18th, 2017, Wednesday. All right, you're looking here at a chart of the NASDAQ 100 futures. As you can see, the market is steadily remaining above the $5,000 line, which is good. And we're just basically in an inside bar, just about. We haven't taken out the prior high of 5,063 and a quarter. Just hanging out. Not too much going on. Like I said, it's a shortened trading week, and we have the inauguration upon us. So I don't think we're going to see any real action until next week. So this is pretty much what we're doing right now. Taking a look at the crude oil. Really no change. We're still here inside bar, trading inside of the prior week's bar. Just nothing going on here, nothing to talk about. The real story today was with the gold. Gold did pull back about $10 today. So it is having some problems, some trouble with this resistance level that I've been telling you about. The 1200 to 1215 range is a problem, just like we knew it would be. The next trouble is going to be at the 1234, 1235 level, if it can even get there. It has retreated back below this resistance level now, and it's still holding above 1200, which is a good thing. But you know, the longer it takes for it to push through, this resistance, it's running the jeopardy of pulling back here toward the momentum line, and you just don't want to see that drop below 1200. So on the weekly chart, this is what we're looking at. If you take a look at the daily chart, blow that up for you real quick, you can see it's really having problems bumping its head at the bottom of the Kumo cloud of death. Having real problems, really struggling to get into that Kumo cloud. That's a real problem right now. So we're going to see what happens, but it's struggling. It's being sold just like I knew that it would be once we got up here. Selling is creeping in. It's not coming in hardcore like I thought it would, but then again, we're still early in the bar. All right, this is what this is shaping up to be a little bit. All right, so not a good sign. We're not out of the woods until we're out of the woods. All right. Taking a look here at silver. Let's see how silver performed. Pretty much the same story. It's really struggling at the bottom of the Kumo cloud here. $17 is a tough one. It's trying to stay above it. Will it be successful? Hard to know. Looking at now our miners, here's GDX. Taking a look at the GDX. GDX is now well into the Kumo cloud, and it's just hanging out up here too. So really not a whole lot of action. Did get some pullback today in trading, but not a whole lot. Here we go again. All right, so creeping up on this ramp here. Is it going to go that route? It's hard to say. We probably won't get an answer to some of these questions until next week. US dollar was defended today, and you can see it came down to the trend line and retreated thereof. All right, we're still hanging out up here, but we're bumping against this momentum resistance, and it's going to need to try to break above 101.72.5. That's a major resistance. That 102 level is a major resistance for the dollar. It's going to have a lot of problems getting above it. All right, so not a whole lot to talk about. This is what the price action did today, and I'm expecting more of the same tomorrow. There's some other things that we're looking at here. Here's what the dry ships is looking like. Getting into that $1 level. It's just, as you can see, it's hard to even view it that way. So I had to pull it up this way maybe. Just because of the way the price destruction happens so rapidly, the charts are trying to play catch up. But we just keep getting lower and lower and lower. Just lower and lower and lower. It doesn't pop until it pops. All right, looking at TGB. You can see where it hit the 131 handle and then just kind of leveled off here. Not a lot going on there just yet. Just watching and waiting. Let's see. What's the other one we're looking at here? Let me see. Okay, here we go. Let's look at UGLD. All right. As you can see, UGLD fell out of bed the same time the gold futures did. Let's see. Taking a look at NAC, NAK. All right, moved up to 264 before leveling off. So NAC is moving up good. If you pull up on the daily chart, all right, you can see it's popped up here. Got some separation, got some gaps that need to be filled. Let's see what else we got here. I think that's it. That's it for now. Okay, so with that said, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And the rest of you, remember pulsewavetrading.com. Come on over, learn how to trade, learn how to profit in these markets, learn how to hedge your physical holdings. And it's going to be a whopper of a year. So get ready and get yourself positioned to profit for both you and your families. Peace.